guys, it's Carter Janik here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your iPhone and install a clean, signed OS from Apple. Let's get started. For this demonstration, I'll be using my iPhone 4S. Before you start this tutorial, it's very important that you download iTunes first. If you are using macOS, you can skip this, but if you are using Windows, you know what to do. First, open your web browser and go to ipsw.me or click the link in the description. It will bring up this menu telling you to choose which device you're downloading firmware for. Ignore this menu and instead click on Identify your iOS device. Next, click on the device you are resetting and enter the model number located on the back of your device. For example, mine is A1387. Then click on Find My Device. From here, you can take note of your device and download the latest firmware for it. I'm downloading iOS 9.3.5. I'll come back once the download is complete. Also, while the firmware is downloading, connect your iOS device to your computer using a working USB to 30-pin or Lightning connector. I'm using 30-pin because that's what my iPhone supports, but newer models will support Lightning. Next, you need to put your iOS device into DFU recovery mode. Here's how that works. First, turn off your iOS device by holding down the power button for a few seconds. A slider will pop up, and you must slide this in order to turn it off. Next, hold the power button for about 3 seconds. Then, keep holding the power button, but also hold down the home button for 10 seconds. Finally, release the power button, but keep holding the home button for another 10 seconds. After that, your device should be in recovery mode, and iTunes should automatically open, telling you that your device is in fact in recovery mode, or your device needs to be restored for whatever reason. If you get the second message that I talked about, be absolutely sure to click Cancel. Next, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click Restore iDevice, which is whatever your device is. You should be in a menu telling you to open an IPSW file. Locate and select the file you just downloaded from ipsw.me and click Open. Click OK in the message box that appears. Now be patient as your computer is restoring the firmware to your device. Your computer will make lots of hardware insert and remove sounds if you're using Windows, and your device will display progress bars, but that's all normal. Just be patient. Now, if all goes well, you should see a message box on your computer telling you that your device has been restored to factory settings. Click OK or wait for the box to disappear, and be patient once again, because your iPhone will prepare the necessary files needed for setup. If your device had Find My iPhone on before restoring, an activation lock message will display on your computer. If not, it will display a message saying that your device has been unlocked. After a while, your device might buzz around for a second depending on what type of device it is, and after a while, the setup starting screen will display on your device. And that's it! Now you can set up your device as usual. Thanks for watching. I'm CJ, and I'll see you in the next one.